There we go. Up the telephone pole. This isn't even the trees, the telephone. I'm taking this movie outside of the orthodontist's office. Tim's in having his teeth checked. So I just thought I'd walk around, and there's some older trees in this neighborhood. Let's see if it's any different than at home. I don't know if you can hear it in the background. It's pretty loud. That's all cicada debris. All the bigger trees look like this at the base. Kind of makes your skin crawl a little bit. Pretty loud. You really got to watch where you walk, too. I mean, if you care. Using the battery. Taking a movie. You can talk if you want.
Central, they say, midi America, we see the cicadas, they're covering the trees. They are harmful. See.
Hold on, let me focus. Step back a little, it's too close to focus. There we go. Okay. Yeah. Huh.
And now we see how it affects females.
That one already fell on me before. I'm going to take a